Hello, it's Mrs. Cockram. Magnificent here again today. So what I'm going to talk us through today is part of our work pack, and it's an exciting challenge that I want us to do. I would like us today to make something, and then you're going to write about what you've made, okay? You will need to make something. 2 toilet roll tubes. 2 of these, okay? And you need to find this page in your work pack, the superhero cuffs page, and it's instructions about how to make superhero cuffs. So if you saw on the other label there was a superhero, wasn't there, and they had the cuffs around here. So we will cut them down here, so I might put a line down here and I will cut this and put it on to make a superhero cuff. Okay, and that might be where there might be a button on there that I might press for my superpower. Could do. But what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be writing our instructions. So you're going to make your superhero cuffs, and there's some instructions of how to do that and all the things you need in your work pack. Just use what you've got. If you haven't got toilet roll paper, you can make them with plain paper, can't you? Just use anything you've got at home, okay? I think some people will really enjoy making these, but the important thing is as well that we're going to write about what we've made. And how we're going to write about that is by using some instructions. So we need to think, well, if somebody wanted to make these superhero cuffs that I've made, how am I going to write down these instructions, okay? So you might follow the instructions how we've got it in the pack, and the ones in the pack are written like this. Let me show you. They are written like 1, and that's your first step. Then it's got 2 as your second step, and 3 as your third step. But you can also write instructions like this. First, I got, let me change this font actually. First I got, and what am I going to carry on writing there? First I got, because I'm writing the word first, I need a comma there. First I got, and the reason why I need a comma is because I'm taking a breath. So if you hear Mrs. Cockram, I don't go first I got, I say first, pause, so it needs a comma, I got some toilet roll. I'm going to write the word 2. I got 2 toilet roll tubes, and I cut them down. Down the middle. So that is my first step. First, I got 2 toilet roll tubes and I cut them down the middle. Okay, that's what I did as my first step. Then because I'm going to do another comma because I'm pausing. So I'm going to, then so what you're going to do next is you're going to, it says here in the instruction to paint them, but you might not have paint at home, so you might colour it in. So you need to fill in this next sentence with I'm not going to fill this in now because I don't know if you're going to paint it, you're going to colour it, you're just going to draw a picture on it, okay? Then we could have the word next for step 3, then we could have first, then next, after that, and then we need a comma again because I'm pausing. After that, so we've got in the instructions here, there are 6 steps, okay? You might not have 6 steps when you come to make yours. You might make yours shorter. So what we need to have, I want us all to have at least 3 steps though. So if you're choosing 3 steps, I want your 3 steps to be these ones that I'm going to highlight. If you're having just the first challenge, if you're choosing the easiest one, oh, I don't like that colour. I'm going to make it black. I'm just going to highlight it in green. So first, next, and finally. Okay, so if you're choosing to do the first challenge, you would have these sentences. Okay, I'm just going to move these a bit further down so they're a bit more separated. Okay, here we go. To challenge yourself further, you can also put in these points in the middle though. So you could have first, then, next, after that, finally. Okay, so it's about using the start of these sentences to be able to write instructions. Okay, oh, I might put the top of here as well. Instructions, how to make superhero cuffs. So that might be my title. Can anybody tell me, if you look at my title, what Mrs. Cockram has done wrong? Because it's the title. What do we need for the title? So I've got a capital letter here. Have I put capital letters here? No, I haven't, but I need to have capital letters because it's a title. So you remember titles of books? But because the word to, the words a, it, is, to, the, they don't need capital letters. Okay, and we'll talk about that in more detail another day. Okay, but for now, and actually, you know what I might do? I might underline that because it's my title. I might give it an underline just so I can see how important it is. Instructions, how to make superhero cuffs. First, I got 2 toilet roll tubes and cut them down the middle. Then I said I wasn't going to fill that in because that's your instruction, isn't it? Okay, it says here then, now decide what shapes you would like to decorate the cuff with. Either use templates or draw some of your own shapes on the coloured cards. So then you could put, next, I drew some shapes and cut them out. Yeah? These sentences are to make as difficult or as easy as you like, but I want you to really challenge yourself with this work, okay? So try your hardest. Maybe dress up as a superhero whilst you're doing it, like Mrs. Cockram, and think about all the superhero powers. Mrs. Cockram might make her own. It says as well about having some string, but I don't have string in my house to tie this up once it's cut out. So I'm hoping it might I think it'll just fit on my hand without using string, which would be good. Okay, I'm going to go now. But have a lovely day. Please share with me this work. Please share with me your superhero cuffs. Doesn't have to have your face in the picture. Maybe just take a picture of your superhero cuff, and maybe Mrs. Cockram will share hers, and I might share with you tomorrow my instructions of what my instructions look like, okay? Not tomorrow because it's Friday today. On Monday, I will share with you my instructions, okay? And then we could maybe edit and improve your own instructions. See if we can do some of that. Remember how we edit? We like cross out bits, don't we? And change it with a different coloured pen. But have a lovely day, and I hope you get on with that okay. And just remember to have fun with it. Have lots of fun. It's Friday. We need to have fun on a Friday, but also be doing good work, okay? I can't wait to see this. Have a lovely day, everybody. See you later. Bye.